Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub, everyone. I'm Gig Coach Jake, back with another money-making gig app for you. Some tips and tricks. If you've not subscribed to this channel yet, go down below, hit the subscribe button, and check that notification bell. That way you get notifications for any future videos like this one or others as soon as they're released. For those that don't know me, I did a video on this channel about a week ago on DoorDash. I've been doing gig work for over 2 years now. I have several thousand rides as a rideshare driver and a few thousand deliveries across the different food delivery apps. I'm also a YouTube creator like Dylan, and I have a consulting business where I've been consulting gig workers for over 2 years and helping them succeed in this tough industry. Enough about me though, let's talk about how I can help you. In my last video, I mentioned an even better money-making app than DoorDash. It's Grubhub. Now let's go to the whiteboard and let's discuss why Grubhub's a great option for a lot of you to make some extra money. The biggest reason I love the Grubhub gig app over a lot of the other ones is they show the dollar amount that you're going to make for the entire trip up front. So before you even accept the offer, it's going to give you an actual offer. So right here, I'll give you a little screenshot. You'll see this is the actual incoming screen before I accept the offer. I know already how much I'm going to make. I then can go in and see how much the tip was afterwards, because what DoorDash does is they're going to pay a base. So in Phoenix here it's $3.25 base. Then you get mileage, so any extra mileage, and then you're going to get 100% of the tip. That's big. Unfortunately, they don't pay wait time. We do incur a lot of wait time for Grubhub, and that's why it's smart to run multi-apps. I can go run a DoorDash offer knowing that Grubhub is going to take me a little bit longer based on some of the information that's in the app. So right here you can see, here's a screenshot after I accepted. You can see the tip amount, like I said. I can see when the order was placed. Huge, right? So if I know it's an order, if it's a bigger order, it's going to take longer. So if it's just placed, unfortunately, Grubhub sends us the offer a lot of times minutes after the order was placed by the customer. But you can make other choices to be efficient. I'll go run a DoorDash offer. I might be at home doing some chores, getting ready for another video. There's a lot of other things I'll do to be efficient with my time so I'm not wasting it. But that's one of the things with Grubhub that will happen. So we do have information like I just showed in that screenshot. Tip, when the order is placed, and a pickup by time. That time will be changed sometimes by the merchant. So say that they get the offer and it's going to take them a little bit longer. Maybe it's a dish, maybe it's duck. At some of these Chinese restaurants, duck will take a long time. They'll adjust the time for that pickup by time. So if you get an offer where you see drop off at say 8:45 and the pickup by time's 8:52, well, that's because the merchant changed the time. Maybe they didn't see the tablet, they got a little bit late. There's several different factors. So another great factor is more high-paying offers. Because they have a lot of quality merchants and a higher, bigger market share, there's a lot of good offers on Grubhub. Very rarely will I see on DoorDash ones that pay out in the double digits. I'll see mostly majority of them pay around $5 to $8 range. We'll say $7 on average for DoorDash. But there are the big ones out there. You just got to be selective and cherry pick. It's a lot harder. Grubhub, it's a no-brainer, right? So for those that aren't good at math and figure out some of those factors like items, really knowing your market so you know what the average dollar per item is, it's really easy. So you saw in that other screenshot, here's another one. Here's an example of a big offer that I received. And it's pretty common that I can see $20 offers, at least one a day here in Phoenix market. Bigger markets, yes, we're going to see a lot more bigger offers. Smaller markets, not so much. Right? Bigger places, you got business with a lot more people, they might go in. My brother works at a pretty big office building. They all in the message board, who's going to Grubhub? Smart them, right? They could save the delivery fee and then all pitching together. And that makes for a bigger tip and a bigger offer for a lot of us. Anyhow, a lot of big offers on Grubhub. They're publicly traded. They're the only profitable gig company to date. They have been publicly traded for years now. I know there's several other put in for it. DoorDash has put in for the IPO. I know Uber Eats, and I know Lyft is putting in for one, and Uber themselves they're pushing. So, but Lyft announced putting in for it, Uber Eats, and DoorDash for 2019. I don't have more information on that right now though. Lots of quality merchants. I mentioned that above. So big market shares in a lot of these markets. That leads to not only a higher volume of demand, but a lot of really good offers. So it makes Grubhub one of the best apps out there and one of the, actually the best food delivery app in a lot of markets. Always market dependent. If you're in a market where Uber Eats is running a lot of these boosts and promos, you can easily make $18 on a delivery in some of these later night deliveries. So not always the best in all markets, but in most markets right now, Grubhub is the best, not only gig app, but food delivery app for sure. They have a minimum hourly, so they have a contribution system set up. That is starting to go away in some markets, but a lot of the smaller markets, it's huge, right? So they're trying to build and gain ground in there. What they're doing is they're offering anywhere up to $15 an hour minimum guarantee. So all you have to do is be logged on inside the region and accept a minimum amount of offers. I believe it's 85% or more. A lot of these people, they're sitting at home doing nothing. They might run 1 or 2 offers. They have like a Taco Bell and a Burger King in the market. Not a whole lot. So if you're in a smaller market, Grubhub might be a great choice for you based on this contribution system. You can make $15 an hour doing absolutely nothing. There's a catch though. You have to be on a scheduled block. They have a block system that allows you to go on and get scheduled blocks based on your program level. I'm not going to go into that. There's a lot of detail. You can go check it out yourself on the Grubhub website. Another thing, some markets have a waiting list right now. You can't just go sign up and get on. There's 0 driver referrals. Grubhub is such a great gig company. A lot of drivers want to work for them that, again, they have a waiting list and they have 0 driver referral program. Not like DoorDash. DoorDash, it's up to $2,500. So if you want to drive and make some extra money and you know some other people that do, go in the description in the comments, use my DoorDash referral link, sign up as soon as possible before it goes away, and then start to get other people referred on your own account. So once you're active, then you can go refer people on yours. Again, Grubhub's so good, they don't need a driver referral program, and there is a waiting list in some markets. They are not exempt of all problems though. Just like every other gig company, they have their downfalls. In some aspects, they do try to treat us like employees, but you can definitely work like an independent contractor. I hope you enjoyed this video. All these tips and tricks and information are going to help you go out and make some more money. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that notification bell. And check me out on my YouTube channel, Gig Coach Jake. Have a great day, everyone. Be safe out there. And as always, work hard, but work smarter.